Let's play, discover, sister and brother. Mom, Dad, the high camp. You play and discover.
What's up, Play and Discover kids? Today we're going to read Scooby-Doo's Snow Monster Scare. Scooby and the gang were playing in the snow. They were building a snowman. Velma made eyes out of buttons. Daphne made a nose out of a carrot. Scooby made a mouth out of Scooby snacks. Fred made arms out of branches. Shaggy finished dressing the snowman with his hat and scarf. "Like, this is the best snowman ever," said Shaggy. Then Fred, Daphne, and Velma went down to the mountain on their skis. Scooby and Shaggy followed on a sled. "Hang on," said Shaggy. "Scooby-Dooby-Doo," replied Scooby. A while later, the gang went back to see their snowman, but something was wrong. The carrot, branches, hat, and scarf, everything was gone. Scooby thought he smelled a carrot and started digging. "Stop digging, Scooby," said Fred. "You're going to cause an avalanche." Scooby continued digging. "Will you stop for a Scooby snack?" asked Daphne. "We need to find our missing things." "Let's look for clues," Fred said. "Like maybe a monster took Snowman's things," said Shaggy. Velma looked all around her. "There are no footprints," she said. Then she saw something hanging from a tree close by. "Jinkies," said Velma. "There's your scarf." Scooby found a feather and ran toward it. Another clue, he thought, but he tripped in the big hole he had dug earlier and rolled head over heels halfway down the mountain in a giant snowball. When Scooby finally stopped rolling, he shook off the snow and could smell Scooby snacks. He dug another hole deeper and deeper, hoping to find them. The gang came down the mountain to find Scooby. "Look, Scooby," said Velma. "You solved the mystery." Scooby poked his head out of the snow and saw 3 little birds chirping loudly. He saw the carrot, branches, and hat. He could smell the Scooby snacks. Then he saw what had taken them. It was not a monster. It was a bird. "What about our snowman?" asked Fred. "I have an idea," said Velma. The gang worked hard. When they were done, Shaggy said, "Our snowman looks just like a real monster." "Monster!" Scooby shouted. He dug a hole in the snow and yelled, "Scooby-Dooby-Doo!" The end. Thank you for reading with us, Play and Discover, kids. We'll see you next time.
Let's play, discover, sister and brother. Mom, Dad, the high camp. You play and discover.